Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. All they see is clear. In all things, boundless are the aspects of teaching. Developing omniscience, one enters the deep ocean of reality. Abiding in the Buddha land, appearing in all places, no coming and no going. All Buddha's teachings are thus. In the ocean of sentient beings, the Buddha body appears like a reflection. According to the differences in their understandings, thus do they see the guide. In each and every hairpore, he manifests mystical powers. The pure ones who practice the vow of universal wisdom can see. Buddha, with each of his bodies, teaches in every place, pervading the whole cosmos, beyond the reach of thought. Then another great enlightening being in the congregation, named Inexhaustible Light of Majestic Wisdom, empowered by the Buddha, surveyed the 10 directions and said, "In each and every Buddha land sits Buddha on all enlightenment sites, surrounded by assembled groups, conquering the armies of demons. The Buddha's body radiates light, filling the 10 directions, appearing in accord with need, in forms that are not the same. Every single atom is filled with light. It's seen in all lands in the 10 directions, variously, different in each. The countless various lands in the oceans of lands of all quarters are all level and pure, made of royal sapphires, some inverted, some sideways, some like lotus buds, some round, some square. They are of various forms. Traveling unimpeded to all lands throughout the universe in all groups of beings, Buddha always teaches. The Buddha body is inconceivable. All lands exist therein. In all places, there he guides the worlds, teaching truth. In the subtle teaching he expounds the essence of things is undifferentiated. Based on the one real truth, he expounds various characteristics of things. Buddha, with a round, complete sound, exposes the genuine truth. According to differences in understanding, he manifests infinite teachings. In all lands we see Buddha sitting on the enlightenment site. Buddha's body appears like reflections.